Olivia's third birthday. Good Josh. We're having cake before lunch today. Uncle Ed.
Your new pants? Perfect.
Is the 40.
Yeah.
I can't get, lady, I can't get away from the color.
Look, this is your Minnie Mouse jammies.
Oh.
These are your Minnie Mouse pants. Wait, look at Minnie Mouse pants. This is your Minnie Mouse skirt. Okay?
I want to open this one. Open it.
Sarah stepped on a rusty nail today.
Open it.
We thought maybe the baby was coming.
Sadly, I just have to get a shot.
Open it.
Not sadly.
Kind of sadly.
I'll open it.
Are you opening another present?
Look here. The book. The book.
That's from Daddy.
The book.
I know you didn't wrap it.
Yes, he did.
He did wrap it.
He wrapped it.
The highest compliment I can get. Listen to that.
Oh, this is very, hold it over very
I
neat.
did wrap
This morning by himself.
I witnesses. Amongst many. Uncle Josh, will you lay Lego with me?
Okay, hold on.
That's from Daddy, boo-boo. I read you the book.
You say thank you to everyone? That's it?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy third birthday, Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Happy birthday.